Welcome to this instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the extra wide bicycle seat. Okay, so I'm going to take it out of the packaging. This is a reflector. Now it includes the mounting hardware. This will mount to most seat posts. Okay, so I'm going to mount it on a bicycle. Okay, so the seat is mounted, and I set the back to be slightly higher than the front. And you can set this right here. It's like most bike seats. The hardware assembly is similar. This rotates, so it will pivot the seat itself to go higher or lower from front and back by adjusting this nut here and this nut on this side. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.